किस पे जाएगा? यस टेल मी, हु विल गिव? कंपनी. And then Governor General power has been extended over the and then subordinate presidencies. तो आपने पहले भी देखा था, and further more power has been increased. And then royal approval mandated for the appointment. Royal approval. क्या चाहिए? What you need? Royal approval mandated for the appointment of Governor General, Governor and Commander in Chief. So what you need? Royal approval. And who is royal approval? Crown. Who is? I said that? Crown. Then there is a need of royal approval. Understood it? I said that monopoly remained there. कोई बहुत बड़ी चीज नहीं. Board of control will be, what is it? Their member salaries will be given by whom? Company. And then Governor General power has been further extended. Understood? And then I said that ये company dividend नहीं है. ठीक है, वो तो पिछले वाले के थे, वो तो कॉपी पेस्ट करके मैं फाइल बनाता हूँ तो वो वही का वही रह गया. So what I said that royal approval mandated for the appointment of Governor General, Governors and Commander in Chief. Understood it? So which are the things that I talked about in the 1793 Charter Act? उनको next 20 years के लिए monopoly authorized कर दिया. Charter Act has been given, I said, for the next 20 years. The monopoly has been given for the East India Company for the next 20 years. Understood? Thereafter I said that, they said that company will pay for the payment of salaries of Board of Controls. And then I said that two things happen. Governor General power has been extended, and then who will be, royal approval needed for the appointment of. And who appoints? Court of Director. Who appoints? Any recruitment. Listen me. Side में लिख लेंगे. Any recruitment will be done by who? Court of Directors. Any recruitment. याद रखेंगे. Any recruitment will be done by whom? Court of Directors. In the East India Company, any recruitment. लेकिन specifically for the governors, Governor General, Governor and Commander in Chief, they need an yes. Tell me. Yes, royal approval. Understood? You know that Cornwallis is considered as a father of Indian civil services. Cornwallis is considered as a father of, and then he has given that there should be what? Civil services for the Indians. Like this time, Indian civil services did not come. In 1835, I said in 1833 Charter Act, we also talked about again there should be civil services. Understood? But it is not there. Finally, in 1861, civil services examination has been for the Indian civil services. So, which act has been authorized for Indian civil services? 1861. After the 1858. So they have talked about, but they are afraid civil servant means district collector. And collector has an authority to collect the revenue, and they cannot believe on Indians. I said that during the William Bentinck, it has been also talked about, but it has not been concerned. Finally, it has been started after the 1858 Government of India Act. I said that, और बोला भी गया था कि we should have some Indian element. We should have some Indian element in our administration so that we can understand that there is what and who is the first civil servant? Satyendranath. Yes, Anna? Satyendranath Tagore. He is the first civil servant in 1863. I said that, समझ में आ गया? First I talked about 1773 Regulating Act. In this one simple I talked about there should be a court of director, and who will be the member court of shareholders of the company. And thereafter there is an, I said that, yes, tell me, Governor General of Bengal become the presiding over the governors of other presidency. And Governor General has 4 members. Governor General in council has 1 plus the other 4 members. But then the majority will be under whom? Those who are giving a majority on the basis of decision will be taken. Thereafter I talked about there is an which I said that Supreme Court Act. तो वही तीन चीजें तो हैं, Supreme Court Act, Kolkata, and there is an one Chief Justice, and what is the name is Elise Impey. What is the Chief Justice name? Elise Impey, along with the three judges. Understood? And it has been said that provision of, I said that completely private trade, what is an, and I said bribes, corruptions and all. And it has been said that company will take only how much? 6% dividend. Understood? Until he has not been able to pay 1.5 million loan pound that he has taken. 1.5 million pound loan that he has been taken. इसके बाद आया, next I said that, but this time British government was not there, only court of director was responsible, but he was giving by law, British government by giving law, regulating it. Yes or not? Yes or not? Lord North, who was the Prime Minister at that time, he has given the law to regulate it. And you know that क्यों regulate कर रहे थे? Because only the East India Company who is there in the Asia. And who can give the opportunity? Only who? East India Company. And several members of East India Company, I said the shareholders of East India Company in England, they are what is a big portion. Therefore उन्हें loan भी देना पड़ा, and not Lord North ने उनके पास और कोई चारा भी नहीं था. There is nothing that he can do a part of it. Thereafter coming of 1784, Pitt's India Act. The Pitt's India Act, what is there? I said that it has been found that they have been not able to what? Control the, I said that through the regulation they cannot control the corruption and then bribes and everything existing in the East India Company. Therefore they have to give what I said that? Yes, Board of Control. And then Board of Control, it means British government. Court of Director means company. And the Board of Control has how many members? 2 from the British Cabinet and 4 from the Privy Council. Understood? And then there is an, I said that Governor General and Council has been, their member has been, 1 has been reduced. Earlier 4 and it become 3. But out of this 3, 1 is has been Crown has nominated him, and then it has the power of veto. तो मुझे लगता है ये फिर बेकार है completely. Therefore suddenly in 1786 it has been amended. And thereafter I said that what is there in this? Yes, power of Governor General has been extended. Power of Governor General has been extended, and the Governor General of Bengal is become the what is it? Presiding officer. ये सारी चीज बनी रहा था. And anything other? Council 6 governing means the Madras and Bombay has an also governing councils, means they have an also governing, but who is the powerful? Governor General of Bengal. Thereafter we have been able to see what? The 1793 Charter Act. What is the meaning of Charter Act? Granting the authority, granting list of authorities to an authority, responsible authority. Understood? And who is responsible authority? Company. And then we have been able to see that I said that in that time it has been said like, yes, company's monopoly has been what? Sustained for the next 20 years. They will sustain for the 20 years, they will do the monopoly, okay, chalo karo. And then it has been said that the Board of Control, their salary will be what? Given by, who will give the salary? Company, given by company. And then Governor General will have power has been extended. Slowly and slowly Governor General के power को extend किया जाएगा. And then the royal approval. I said that who appoints, who recruits members or anyone into the East India Company? Court of, but appointment of, but and recruitment of Governor General, Governor and Commander in Chief will be on the basis of royal approval. Understood it? And then next we are going to see this. I said that East India Company, also known as the Charter Act of 1793, and the Parliament of Great Britain, which remained the charter issued to the British East India Company and continued the company's rule in India. The company stayed for 20 years, and the staff and the paid members of the Board of Control were also now charged to the company, and the Governor General was granted extensive power over the subordinate presidencies, and then Governor General power of overruling his council was affirmed, and then I said extended over the governors of subordinate, and the royal approval was mandated for the appointment of Governor General, and then I said governors and commander in chief. Next it is coming for 1813 Charter Act. Which act? And यहाँ पर भी क्या हुआ? I said that for the next 20 years एक चीज, जितनी भी चार्टर एक्ट देखेंगे, it will transfer for the next 20 years till here. I said 1813 and then 1793, 1833, 1853. यहाँ पर 20 years का नाम नहीं लिया गया था. अब इनको पता भी नहीं था कि चलेगा भी नहीं. They did not talk about 1853, that next 20 years. They never talked about in this one. But in every act they talked about. Now I am going to ask, in which act 1 is 2 times? Which act 1 is for 2 times? इसमें से किस act में 1 is 2 times? Yes. 1 means, I said that monopoly of East India Company. Can you remember that monopoly of East India Company has been removed? And I said that on the except tea in India and opium in China. So chai and chini. Chai from India and China. Opium. Chai and chini. Chai में क्या चाहिए? Chini. Monopoly. And then 1 lakh rupees has been started giving for education. 1 lakh rupees started giving for education. Understood? This is the time you can be able to see. जब पैसा दिया गया तो क्या बोला गया? चलो यार, we'll do also socio-economic reform. What will do? Socio-economic reform. And then there is some kind of, I said that, educational reform. Monopoly. What I talked about? Extra 1 से आपको क्या मिला? Monopoly of what is an East India Company has been removed, except 1 का मतलब monopoly, and then it has been removed except tea and opium. Except tea and opium. Tea from India, and then what is an opium from China. And 1 lakh rupees has been given for education, जो use ही नहीं हुआ. Every year per annum, that is 1 lakh rupee will be given as an donation. Socio-economic reform, you know that if I'll go back, and if I'll go, you know that 1799, 89, after that you will see that French Revolution. And under the suppression of British, he has given one continental policy. French ने क्या किया था? What the French has done? This is the French and here it is England. And the major portion, सबसे ज़्यादा trade कौन करता था इससे? यहाँ के traders with the Russia and other countries. And this is in France. And France ने क्या कर दिया? Completely debarred this reason, क्योंकि उसने पहले ही रशिया को जीत लिया and all. And then Napoleon has said that do not what is going to make any kind of what. And then Spain तो उसके अंदर बच्चा था, वो तो जब उसके घर में घुस जाए नेपोलियन ये करता था. I said that इसी की वजह से वो मतलब कभी कभी कोई लोग क्या होता है, some people are very good person, you can come any time and then किसी दिन बम फटता है. So I said that ऐसे ही घुस जा रहे थे यहाँ पर. I said that there is this is one of the cause of the decline of what is Napoleon ये Spain. I said that continental policy किया और इन्होंने क्या किया? 1806 का बर्लिन डेक्री दिया. बर्लिन डेक्री. और इसके बेसिस पे इन्होंने बोलिया डू नॉट डू द ट्रेड विद. और कारण ये भी था कि साथ साथ में फ्रेंच के पावर को भी कम करने के लिए ब्रिटिशर्स वर द सपोज्ड टू बी द बेस्ट इन देयर नेवल पावर. उन्होंने सारे नेवल पावर से इनको फ्रांस को रोक रखा था. From this side, Bay of Biscay, and there is what English Channel, North Sea. There is a French has been also debarred. Therefore, he did continental policy. But India, they have what? India is in a colony. And therefore, I said that they have removed the monopoly. They have removed the monopoly of East India Company, and other traders also came to India, not only East India Company. So because of this, I said that continental policy, then the British government come under the pressure for the private traders to be also going trade into India. Understood? This is the reason 1813 Charter Act, what happened? Monopoly of East India Company has been removed. And traders, और साथ साथ में Christian missionaries ने भी कहा कि हम भी जाएंगे. So traders started going, private traders and Christian missionary. If the traders means, I said that monopoly, and then Christian missionary means they started doing some kind of what? Socio-economic reforms. Understood? And they talked about in education also that especially India mein education system should change and they should be on the basis of scientific pattern. समझ में आ गया? One monopoly समझ में आया? Monopoly, one extremist monopoly has been removed from the tea in India and opium in China. Thereafter I said that 1 lakh